No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. Gets the people going.
Oh, well, hello there. How are you doing today? It is your boy, He Got Shoe Game. Welcome back to another unboxing review and on feed for you guys. Today, I got a Nike Air Max 90 SE Enigma Stone. It's a neutral colorway. Nice little something to just show you guys and how I feel about it. These shoes are based off a different colorway, a yellow colorway, and chutney, I guess that's how it goes. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. It's free, you know, just so you could stay updated with the most content that I be putting out. And you know, if you already subscribed, hit the like button for your boy, por favor. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Got your box right here, straight from Nike. Got your Just Do It tape. You know how I feel about that. It's just beautiful, you know, it feels almost exclusive. You know, for some of you that get shoes from Nike, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about with that Nike Just Do It tape. You just gotta love it. It's almost like a little present that you get on Christmas. You just can't wait to unbox it. And that's the feeling I have right now. I just can't wait to unbox it. I have yet to see these shoes, guys. And hopefully, you know, if you guys do like them, please leave a like. It means a lot. Gotta keep the algorithm going. And that's why I'm showing you these shoes today. I did have access to them on Nike.com. It was more of a member access. Wow. Wowzers. Wowzers. Alright. Got your standard original Nike box. Nothing too special. Nike Air Max 90 SE Enigma Stone. USD is 130. I did get a 20% off of these shoes, so I got them for around 106. I don't know how I got that, but promo code helped me a lot. There you go. These are size 9.5. Now for the unboxing. Here you got your lot number up here, right there. So you know it's authentic. And oh, wow, these are nice. Hey, these are fuego. These are fire, man. Yes, sir. Here you got it. You got your Enigma Stone colorway, neutral colorway, pretty much goes with everything. You got a nice suede here on the side, almost. Here it reads on the side, content PU density. You know, just a little lettering. Nothing that's fly, nothing that's comfortable, nothing that's proven. The Nike Air Max 90 SE stays true to its OG roots with the iconic waffle outsole. And guys, you do have a quality control stamp on the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right on the inside. You guys tell me what you think. I really do like these shoes. These shoes are fire. Beautiful, in my opinion. You got clear bubble on the bottom. Stitch overlays and the classic TPU accents. The new speckle pattern on the upper foam. Schematic on the side give it a fresh look, while max air cushioning adds comfort to your journey. Now personally, would I wear these? Of course I would wear these. And on a scale of 1 through 10, I give these, you know, I don't really see Air Maxes too fire like this. I'd probably give these a 9 out of a 10. But I did have access to these shoes because I was a member of Nike. I didn't see them drop anywhere else, so you guys are getting, you know, my first impressions and reactions to this shoe. I think it's a fire shoe. I like this shoe, most definitely. Yet again, guys, please hit that subscribe button. It definitely does help me out. As you can see, we're on the road to 300 subscribers. For the people that are watching, thank you very much. You guys have been helping me a lot, especially, you know, going where I want to be. And but these shoes are fire, man. Hey, you got a nice leather right here on the side. Then you got the suede right here. You got your Nike swoosh with the Air Max. Then you got your Nike Air in the back. Nike Air on your tab. You have the exposed foam here. The exposed foam. But other than that, guys, these shoes are fire. And thank you for clicking on the video. I hope you liked it. Have a blessed day. Stay safe out there, and you know, stay tuned to the next video. It's your boy, He Got Shoe Game, and we checking out. Just do it like Nike. Yeah.